If you work in Microsoft Word and you want to make your documents look polished, professional, and easy to navigate, then learning how to create and update a table of contents is one of the most useful skills you can have. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a table of contents in Word and then how to update it properly whenever your document changes. This is especially helpful for reports, assignments, manuals, ebooks, business documents, and any long file where readers need to jump between sections quickly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Word tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Microsoft Word document and click exactly where you want the table of contents to appear. Most people place it near the beginning of the document right after the title page or introduction, but you can insert it wherever it makes sense for your layout. Once your cursor is in the right spot, go up to the References tab on the ribbon. The References tab is where Word keeps tools for citations, footnotes, and document structure, including your table of contents. After that, look for the Table of Contents option. When you click it, Word will show you a few built-in styles, and the easiest choice is usually one of the automatic table options. These styles are designed to build the table for you using your heading formatting, so you do not have to type everything manually. Select the automatic style you want, and Word will instantly generate the table of contents in your document. If your headings are set up correctly with heading styles, Word will pull those section titles into the table and assign the right page numbers automatically. If you do not see the sections you expected, that usually means your headings may not be formatted with Word's heading styles yet. In that case, you would need to apply heading 1, heading 2, or other heading levels to your section titles first, so Word knows what to include. Now let's talk about updating the table of contents, because this is the part people often forget. If you add new sections, move content around, or rename headings, your table of contents will need to be refreshed so it matches the latest version of the document. To update it, simply click anywhere on the table of contents to highlight it. Once it is selected, look at the top of the table and click Update Table. Word will then ask you how you want to update it. You will usually see two choices. The first is Update Page Numbers Only. This is the quicker option, and it is best when your headings have not changed, but the pages have shifted because you added or removed content. The second option is Update Entire Table. This is the better choice if you changed heading text, added new headings, removed sections, or want the full table rebuilt from scratch. If you are not sure which one to use, the safer choice is usually Update Entire Table because it makes sure everything stays accurate and current. After choosing the mode you want, click OK and Word will update the table automatically. That is it. You now know how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word and how to update it whenever your document changes. This saves time, keeps your files organized, and makes your documents much easier for readers to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next Word guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.